Captain Dimitris, as a vetting manager of a major shipping company, you were one of the first who came face to face with this new SIRE 2 thing. Would you like to share what were the primary challenges you had to face?
Thank you. From the ship management perspective, we all know we are from the same field issue, all of us here, so the challenges are uncountable. We have a completely new process which focuses greatly on the human factor. We have everything is different. Everything has changed or is changing. And allow me to use the key messages which OCIMF had given, which one of those is that SIRE 2.0 isn't business as usual, and SIRE 2.0 is transformational and needs change of mindset and behavior by all. I believe that this is where we have to stand, all involved parties, starting of course from us in the shipping companies, and take it up from there. We have more workload for everybody. We have a huge bunch of stuff that have to be uploaded in advance. We have to verify, as very correctly Captain Kokkinis have earlier noted, we have to verify that they are accurate and according to the process, which means that everything comes to us, to the shipping management. If you wish, from the even the most minor observation that can be or could be noted on board the vessel in the past, there were some that were just, let's say, 1.5 line responsibility was okay, just a mission of the onboard personnel, some fluorescent signs that need to be replaced, and some minor things like this. There are no minors anymore. From the most minor to the most major, everything is coming back to us, and this is where we have to start. Now, as far as the trials is concerned, I would like to say that we are in the beginning. Everybody needs to be trained. Yes, we do have our own issues. Inspectors also have their own issues. The system itself, by itself, has its own issues. I have own experience where we have uploaded the data, and finally the data couldn't leave from the OCIMF database and go to the assigned inspector's tablet. So we were obliged, following a number of numerous communications, to okay, let's take them out and let's do the job again. Okay, finally they did it, and what I can say is that it is the beginning. I do not think that anybody is. I disagree, politely disagree with the expression that they are afraid to note the observation. We have seen in the past observations which were clearly expressing that the navigation officer was not familiar, was not aware. So the most key point for us in the shipping companies, I believe, is that we have to focus on that part. It is almost 1,500 times that within the OCIMF library we see the peculiarity, awareness, etc. We find it there. So this is the core point that we have to focus. I really liked what Mr. Fokas earlier said about what's required by seafarers' motivation, and I can tell you something, being one of the older wolves now in our industry, I can tell you that I'm repeating that to the colleagues within and in general, or within my company or with other companies as well, that we are not giving particular attention to our people on board.
Okay, sorry.
When we have joined, I will say that on closing, when we have joined the vessels, we have learned the vessels not from the ship master, but from the ship's bosuns. For one way or another in the last years, we have lost the ship bosuns, and we lost also the mentoring on board. The greatest lessons have been given from the petty officers and not by the master. So this is where we have to step one step back and focus all our attention there, and everything is going to roll smooth. Thank you.